Hey everyone, it's Adam Ellis and we're back with melody fixing. So I'm going to look at a client's track, we'll jump straight in, and I've been going back and forth with him to try and get it perfect. And I said, hey, just send me the melody and I'll do what I think sounds right. So we'll skip into Logic and we'll have a look. Cool, so we're in Logic, and yeah, I really like the melody. Kind of John Askew kind of esque, where it's just like straight to the point, nice and simple, 8 bars, and the ending is just not quite right for me. So yeah, first thing we'll do is we'll put his notes. Kind of just flattening my notes. So this should be quite an easy fix. In my head, it's fairly simple. It should just go down. I think that's literally it in my head. See what you guys think. Ending doesn't quite seem right. Just making sure the notes match. This section, it doesn't quite seem right to me. That's the end of the 4th bar, so oops. Yeah, the notes are in the same place. I like that because it goes down and then back up. Lovely, that's better. I've tried to stop using all my old presets. I always use my kind of Maggie for Arts Acoustic on the bus. Job be done. Great for beginners, but as I'm trying to improve my sound, I'm finding just stripping it back and adjusting each sound individually is working well for me right now. It means that I'm getting more of a true sound from a synth rather than it being processed quite a lot, which was necessary for me to make it as a producer. I wouldn't have been able to get the sounds that I'm able to get now with just Arts Acoustic, just itself, because my ears are developed. Whereas now I know what sounds sound like. So it's quite interesting. But yeah, if you're wondering, hey Adam, where's your Maggie Q4? Where's your Arts Acoustic on a bus channel? As I said, I'm trying to change it up a little bit. So anyway, let's just make maybe one more change. So you play your first 8 bars. Let's maybe have another change. I'm just resetting the notes. Something simple like that. You've now turned an 8-bar melody into a 16-bar melody. Awesome. So nice little change to a melody. Just to end in my opinion, just needed that change. It just wasn't quite flowing at the end. Then we have gone on and made a little variation to make it a 16-bar melody. Kind of talked to you a little bit about kind of use less processing now. I'm more experienced. Don't worry about it if you're watching this and you're using my tried and trusted kind of way of working, where you just have simple sounds sent to a bus with the reverb and EQ. That's fine. I've been doing this a long time now and just wanting to change things, and I can still make, I've made great trance music with that setup, but yeah, just trying to strip it back, and a bit less is more now. So as always, drop me a line if you want any information about my tutorials, or you got any requests. It's tutorials@adamsdj.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to the videos. Always drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.